I will show you what it looks like when I plug it in. This is Sharge's 67 watt 3-port charging station that is also super slim and little, and you can take with you, and it is small, it's powerful, and looks incredible. Thank you to Sharge for sending this over to me to review. They sent this over to me about over a month ago. I've been using it. I've taken it on a couple of trips and just want to tell you a little bit about it and my experience with it. So, a lot of times when I travel, I need ideally one wall brick that can charge my MacBook and my phone. That's it. And this does just that. It is strong enough and smart enough to be able to distribute power to your MacBook and to your iPhone at the same time. So you're going to be charging fast and you're going to be charging safe. I will show you what it looks like when I plug it in. So you've got one USB-A port at the top, and then you've got two USB-C ports here on the bottom. The wall or the prongs are foldable. So when you're traveling, just looks like a little square, and then you pull them out when you're ready to plug it in. There's nothing else really to the charger other than that. It's very simple, but it's engineered by Sharge and designed by Sharge, which always make things look so good. So if you need a travel charger or a smaller charger that still lets you do two devices at the same time, two devices fast charging at the same time, you're going to be in good shape with this one. It has this pixelated retro look, and then there's two buttons right here, an orange. You can hear it. Yeah, an orange and a white one. And let me show you what it looks like plugged in. All right, so you're zoomed in here, guys. Got it plugged in here to my Tesla battery power extender, whatever. Okay, so it's plugged in, and right now there's nothing coming out of it, so that's why it shows 0. Turn it on and off. Nothing is plugged in, but once you plug in your phone or any device, it will tell you what the total outage is right here. I can't charge my phone right now because I'm using it to record, but I'm just going to plug in here. Okay, so I've plugged it in on one side, and we're going to charge my mouse. So click it there, and now it's plugged in, and it's obviously not drawing a lot because it's a very small mouse. So, but there, you'll see that it will change, and it will tell you what the total outage is in this kind of pixelated style. You can kind of pick which way it's rotated, which is cool. Again, these guys just do such a great job of like being thoughtful about the design and how this is going to look. It's small, it's powerful, it's smart, and again, it's from Sharge, so you know that it's going to work. If you're interested in getting this, please click the link down in the video. It helps so much. Thank you.